Hello, I am Victor, and today we're going to explore the various holidays taking place on April 5th. Get ready to celebrate with family, friends, or even just take a break for yourself. So, let's dive in. National Deep Dish Pizza Day, celebrated annually on April 5th, is a day dedicated to appreciating the iconic, mouth-watering culinary creation that has become synonymous with Chicago-style pizza. Known for its thick, buttery crust, generous layers of cheese, and hearty toppings, deep dish pizza has captured the hearts and taste buds of pizza enthusiasts around the world. On this special day, people come together to honor the history and tradition of this deliciously indulgent dish, while also taking the opportunity to enjoy a slice or two with friends and family. The celebration of National Deep Dish Pizza Day not only encourages pizza lovers to savor their favorite variations of this classic dish but also invites them to explore the rich culinary history behind it. Originating in Chicago in the 1940s, deep dish pizza has since become a beloved staple of American cuisine, with numerous pizzerias and restaurants offering their own unique interpretations of the iconic recipe. This day serves as a reminder of the power of food to bring people together and create shared experiences, as well as an opportunity to support local businesses and appreciate the artistry of pizza making. The Day of Hope, celebrated annually on the first Wednesday of April, is a day dedicated to fostering a sense of optimism, positivity, and inspiration in the face of life's challenges. This uplifting occasion encourages individuals to focus on the power of hope as a driving force for personal growth, healing, and change. By acknowledging the struggles and hardships that people around the world face, the Day of Hope serves as a reminder that resilience, compassion, and perseverance can help us navigate difficult times and emerge stronger and more united. On the Day of Hope, people are encouraged to reach out to their friends, family, and communities to offer support, share uplifting stories, and engage in acts of kindness that can brighten someone's day. This day serves as an opportunity to not only nurture hope within ourselves but also to ignite it in the lives of others. By fostering a sense of togetherness and empathy, the Day of Hope promotes a culture of compassion, understanding, and positivity, reminding us that even in the face of adversity, there is always reason to hope for a better tomorrow. The Day of Hope is an essential reminder of the strength and resilience of the human spirit and the transformative power of hope in shaping a brighter, more compassionate world. Holy Wednesday, also known as Spy Wednesday, is observed during Holy Week as the day when Christians around the world commemorate the actions of Judas Iscariot, who betrayed Jesus Christ to the Sanhedrin, a council of Jewish religious authorities, for 30 pieces of silver. Falling between Holy Tuesday and Maundy Thursday, Holy Wednesday marks an important moment in the events leading up to the crucifixion and resurrection of Jesus. Reflecting on the themes of betrayal and forgiveness, Holy Wednesday provides an opportunity for believers to examine their own lives, contemplate their spiritual journey, and reaffirm their commitment to their faith. Throughout Holy Wednesday, Christians participate in various religious services and rituals that help them delve deeper into the meaning of Christ's passion and sacrifice. For many believers, Holy Wednesday serves as a time for introspection, self-examination, and penance, as they prepare their hearts and minds for the more solemn days of Holy Week that follow. National Self-Care Day, celebrated annually, is a day dedicated to promoting the importance of taking care of one's physical, mental, and emotional well-being. In today's fast-paced world, it is easy to get caught up in the demands of daily life, often neglecting self-care and personal well-being. National Self-Care Day serves as a reminder for individuals to pause, reflect on their needs, and engage in activities that nourish and rejuvenate their mind, body, and spirit. The day encourages people to prioritize self-care, create healthy habits, and develop a sustainable self-care routine that supports their overall well-being. On National Self-Care Day, individuals, communities, and organizations come together to raise awareness about the value of self-care and share tips, resources, and ideas for integrating self-care practices into daily life. Celebrants are encouraged to engage in activities that promote relaxation, self-reflection, and personal growth, such as meditation, exercise, journaling, or spending time in nature. The day also serves as an opportunity to foster a culture of understanding, empathy, and support, as individuals share their self-care journeys and inspire others to prioritize their own well-being. National Self-Care Day is an essential reminder that taking care of oneself is not an indulgence, but a necessary component of a healthy, balanced, and fulfilling life. That's it for today. Enjoy these fantastic celebrations on April 5th, and remember to make time for your loved ones and yourself. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic time celebrating.